Shri Akal ji साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ good morning. Hi, welcome back to my vlog. This one is going to be really special. I'm taking a trip. It's really surreal and nostalgic that I'm taking a trip to this place after almost like 20 years. I don't know how come I never came back to this place in these 20 years. I'm talking about Shri Hemkund Sahib. I'm really excited and feeling a lot more like nostalgic about it because I have a lot of memories with my family, with my maternal side, with my cousins. It's Shri Hemkund Sahib Yatra and it's going to be amazing and exciting and adventurous. The other thing is that I have checked online. There are not many vlogs about Shri Hemkund Sahib. So the trek basically and visiting the Gurdwara, doing the darshan. I'm excited. So let's go. That's my family. I've reached the Dehradun airport. It's pretty hot and that's our ride. Hi. Just ये है हमारे वादियाँ. We've just taken a pit stop for a little tea and coffee. And fries, of course. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, this is Diljoot's vlog. I'm her sister. She is inside and I hijacked her phone. Enjoy this prettiest view.
Hello, good morning. Just look at that view from my room in People Koti.
दो मिनट हो
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. ਅਸੀਂ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਹੇਮਕੁੰਟ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਟ੍ਰੈਕ ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਧਾਮ. ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਘਾਟ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ, ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਧਾਮ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ. ਓ ਸ਼ਿਟ. ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਘਾਟ. ਉੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੁਕਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਤੀ. ਫਿਰ वहां से हम आगे और सही बोला ना, गोविंद घाट जा रहे हैं. और आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट गोविंद घाट ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਰੰਭ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੇਮਕੁੰਟ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਕ. ਉਹ ਟ੍ਰੈਕ ਕਰੀਬਨ 10 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਦਾ ਹੈ.
ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਲ ਤੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਦੂਜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ. ਲੈਣ ਆਣਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. ਬੋਲੇ ਸੋ ਨਿਹਾਲ.
सत श्री अकाल.
As to the grass. High knees. Extra. That's right. Having some black coffee and some protein laddu. So let's go on our way to Govind Ghat Gurudwara. Starting our trip with Gurdwara Sahib. So before you start the trek, you have to get this. This is for the support. So right now we are at Govind Ghat. This is our base starting point for the Hemkund Sahib trek. 3 kilometers आपको जीप लेनी पड़ती है ऐसी, और हम ट्रैक करके पहुंचेंगे गोविंद धाम पर. हम रुकेंगे एक रात के बाद अर्ली मॉर्निंग हेमकुंड साहब का जो बचा हुआ ट्रैक है व्हील का होता है. सो या स्टार्टिंग विद गेटिंग इनटू द जीप. This is the starting point of the trek. 1.5 to 1.5 kilometers walking. It's not an easy trek. आपका
मेरा नाम भैरव खत्री है.
बैग्स है आपके पास?
मेरे पास 3 बैग है.
बस मेरा बैग ये रहा. मैं खुद उठा के लेके जाना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मैं आपको तकलीफ नहीं देना चाहती. ये मेरे बैग्स नहीं है, किसी और के बैग्स है गाइस.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. यू आर गुड सिस्टर. यू आर नाइस ब्यूटीफुल.
बाय. हम आ गए ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 kilometers एंड मेरे पास है ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 kgs का बैग. You see this? It's all worth it. This one is the sweetest girl. She's my biggest fan. The cutest little girl in our family. जो मेरे साथ ट्रैक कर रही है. I think मैगी भी मिलती है, चाय भी मिलती है. When we started the trek, it was sunny, not really raining, but थोड़ा सा drizzle था. Now again, as you can see, it's sunny. ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਯਾਤਰਾ?
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ.
ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੁਣ?
8 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ.
8 kilometers.
10 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਹੈ.
Achha. Moving higher, it's getting chillier. Steps are keeping me warm. I think we've completed almost 6.5 kilometers, which is more than half. Just look at that view. Any age and every age. To trek, there are these kind of benches. यहाँ पे आप rest कर सकते हो. So washrooms available on the way. Okay, so I think we completed 9 kilometers by now. There's this thing that people tell you different kilometers, like how many kilometers are left, and you ask and you know, for motivation, but it can be misleading sometimes. So until and unless you are tracking it, you won't be able to guess how many kilometers are left. Okay, we've reached Govind Dham. Okay, finally we made it to Govind Dham Gurudwara. It was a very difficult trek, but we made it. And now we are going to Gurudwara Sahib. After the darshan, we had something to eat and slept. Next morning, woke up at 4, took a really cold shower, then went to the Gurudwara to take blessings for the trek. Good morning. I guess it's around 5 that I'm leaving for the trek. I think it's a 6-kilometer trek. Pretty cold. But yeah, it just started. This one is said to be a very difficult trek because it's all inclined. So I took like multiple breaks and was taking it easy because it's not a race. It's actually one step at a time. And look at that view, like it's all worth it. That's my destination. So there are 2 ways. One are the stairs, which saves you around 15 to 20 minutes. This is the other way. 20 minutes more, but less efforts. This is more efforts because it's like around 1200 stairs. But I'm taking the stairs. Let's see. You know, it's so surreal to be here right now. Just sit here and be in the moment. Feel and see the clouds passing by. Nishan Sahib. We made it! Last steps. In about 2 seconds, you're gonna see me cry. Yes. I'm not crying because I'm in pain. It's more like a release that I'm finally here. And it's so surreal. I'm beyond grateful that I got this opportunity to be here and to be able to complete this yatra, to have amazing darshan. And soon after that, we started to climb down. And of course, there are multiple options. You can take a horse, you can take a pittu, you can take a buggy, but we were walking. He's behaving like Mox. हम यहाँ क्यों वेट कर रहे हैं? किसका वेट कर रहे हैं? चॉप्टर चॉपर यही है औरत जी.
Be a classy, don't be a bossy. Okay?
मेरे साथ नहीं है यार इनमें से कोई भी. सॉरी. मैं कह रही थी कि मैं यहाँ चॉपर का वेट कर रही हूँ. चॉपर हमें कितनी देर में पहुँचाएगा?
13 मिनट. 3 मिनट.
तो सिर्फ जाना ही है ना बोल. और हमें अब सब देख रहे हैं और हमें ये बंद कर देना चाहिए इससे पहले कि हम लोग जज करें, हम लेस क्लासी हो जाए. ओके, बेसिकली वी आर वेटिंग हियर फॉर द चॉपर. We are taking a chopper from Govind Dham back to Govind Ghat. Obviously, you can, trek down and walk, but we were short on time, so we decided to take a chopper. So yeah, it was an amazing ride. I had so much fun on the trip. Thank you so much for watching, and I really recommend you to experience this once in your life.